Hi, and welcome to the Power of Plant-Based Cheese. I'm going to share an amazing nutritional yeast cheese recipe. We call it vegan parm at my house. It's delicious and it's so easy to make. It's perfect for a child to make, and it's wonderful in salads. Now, before I get into that, I want to share with you a little bit about the importance of moving away from dairy in this regard and starting to adopt more plant-based alternatives to dairy cheeses. And today I want to share with you something that really definitely impacts children, and that is the effects of dairy on intestinal health, i.e. constipation, and also this very important topic that doesn't get enough attention, and that is the effects of dairy on iron absorption. So children are often diagnosed with two issues, constipation and low iron, and the culprit is more often than not dairy products. High levels of casein and calcium in cow milk disrupt or impair the body's ability to absorb iron, and in this way dairy products are detrimental to our children getting enough iron in their diets. So why is it important to adopt more plant-based cheeses? Well, so that we can use these ingredients to enhance the body's ability to absorb iron. It turns out that the body has a natural regulatory mechanism for the uptake of iron into the body, and it happens in the presence of vitamin C. And that's why plant-based sources of iron are so wonderful for human health. And when we combine plant-based sources of iron and vitamin C, not only does our body take in the exact amount of iron that we need, we also can avoid things like constipation and other side effects that dairy products tend to cause. So today, I want to share with you a really wonderful plant-based vegan parm that we put on our Caesar salads and other salads as well. And the lovely thing about it is walnuts are in this recipe, and walnuts are very rich in iron. And of course, the lettuce that this vegan parm goes on is rich in vitamin C. So the vitamin C in the lettuce helps with the absorption of iron from the walnuts. How perfect is that? Okay, so you're going to add 1/4 cup of nutritional yeast into a little container. And when you don't have a blender or a little magic bullet, this is great for kids. You just cover those nuts and seeds up with a paper towel and roll them out. And then you can add this into your container. Don't forget your Himalayan sea salt. Good, and give it a good shaking up. When you've given that a good shake, it's well combined, you can add this to your favorite salad. And when you toss that in with your dressing, you are going to love it. We especially love the dressing from Alicia Silverstone's book. So that's it. I hope that helps you. Remember, the natural regulatory mechanism for the uptake of iron in the human body is in combination with vitamin C. So when you eat vitamin C rich foods in combination with iron rich foods, the body takes in exactly the amount of iron that it needs, and you don't have to worry about your child becoming iron deficient. So good. Subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more recipes and information about the power of plant-based cheese. See you soon.